When you open the YouTube page, the YouTube recommendations are whatever the videos YouTube recommends you onto your home page. And also when you are watching a particular video, the videos that appear onto the right side of the video are also the recommendations. These recommendations are based on your YouTube watch history, and if you want to reset the YouTube recommendations because of any reason, sometimes the YouTube keeps recommending one particular video again and again, and sometimes that the kind of video you want the YouTube to recommend you, it is not recommending that because of some videos which you watched in the past while they were not of your interest. So if you want to reset the YouTube recommendations, you have to follow these steps. First of all, open the YouTube app, make sure that you are signed in with the account for which you want to reset the recommendations, and then you need to click this library button towards the bottom left side. On the top you would see the history section, in which you would see the videos which you have watched in the past, and if you want to see all the history, you need to click the see all, and here you would see the entire list of the videos which you have watched in the past. Towards the right side you would see there are some options. On the first option is that you can clear all watch history, you can pause the watch history, and then you can also manage the history. If you want to reset the YouTube recommendations, you need to clear your watch history, so you need to click this and a pop-up message will appear. You would see a pop-up message about the clear history, in which they are basically saying that your YouTube history will be cleared from all the YouTube apps and devices, and your YouTube recommendations will be reset, but your YouTube recommendation would still be influenced by your activity on the other Google products, which means that your Google search history also. So anyways, to clear the watch history, you need to click this clear watch history and your whole history will be gone. And now you have successfully reset the recommendations from the YouTube. And if you want that the YouTube recommendations should not be influenced by your watch history, you can pause the watch history. Once you will click that, you will get a message that pausing YouTube watch history will make it harder to find the videos you watched, and you may see fewer recommendations for new videos in the YouTube. So which means that by pausing the watch history, your recommendations will be affected. So you can click the pause, and now whatever you would see, your recommendations would not be influenced by whatever you're watching. If you have something to share regarding the YouTube recommendations or the YouTube history, feel free to give that in the comment section below. In any case, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.